Halo teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di channel ini. Di video kali ini, kita bakal buat pada FreeCAD sebuah objek yang nggak punya bagian dalam dan luar. Jadi cuma satu permukaan utuh tanpa batas. Nah, itu namanya Klein Bottle, konsep matematika yang diperkenalkan oleh Felix Klein. Menariknya, objek ini sebenarnya hidup di dimensi keempat, tapi kita cuma bisa lihat versi proyeksinya di dunia 3D. Makanya bentuknya terlihat seperti menembus dirinya sendiri. Dan di video ini kita nggak cuma bahas, tapi langsung kita bikin modelnya di FreeCAD, full dibantu AI dari Anthropic lewat Claude. Jadi tanpa ribet modeling manual, langsung dari persamaan matematika, jadi bentuk 3 dimensi nyata. Yuk, kita mulai!
I hear you talking at work to the boys in the gym, talking at the bar till I walk in. Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. Why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. So talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn. Fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type. That ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. Oh, you think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I want a man to keep me company and talk to me. Baby, won't you talk to me?
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish myself to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish life, foolish notions. They cut me down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some.